Hey friends, Tux here. A few weeks back I did a video on earwax removal kit, okay? And you can look at the exact product name back in my video queue, but a lot of you actually sent in a recommendation to me to check out this one. So I wanted to go ahead and just follow up, if you will. And if you're having problems with, earwax or hearing, that kind of thing, like your ears naturally gum up with like gunk, okay? So sometimes like people even have to go to the doctor, have their ears cleaned out, and if you have a problem like that, like me with earwax, my whole family does. It's a situation where you may want to try one of these kits because they're a lot cheaper than actually having a doctor visit, okay? And this particular one here is available on Amazon. We'll have a link for you right below, or a very similar one, but this is a whole kit that comes with a solution and like the little tool to go with it, okay? You can see it's very giftable. If you want to give the gift of earwax removal to someone you love, you certainly can. This particular thing totes being earwax removal kit, and it basically is peroxide free, multi-symptom relief, removes wax, cleans ears, non-drying, okay? And it says it's natural active ingredients, okay? So very interesting. On the back here, there's a list. I'm not going to read through all of these, but this will be available on Amazon. So click the link and it'll take you there with all the tech specs. But I just wanted to show this to you because some people said, oh, well, the other kit didn't include a little tool, okay? So first, let me just show you the actual stuff. And this is open. I did try it, and it is very effective, and it works great. So I'd say it works just as good as the other one. Maybe if not better. I can't really compare the two. They both are very effective and solve the problem very easily, But you get a whole little package here of the solution, the earwax removal, and it's kind of like an oil that you drip into your ear, okay? And it's got like a little end here that you just kind of drip in your ear, okay? And then you hold it there, and then basically it helps dissolve or like loosen up that wax. And unlike the other kit though, this one has a little bonus item. Check it out, guys. It has like a little baby squeegee. Now I didn't actually use this, okay? This is brand new in package, as you can see. But here, I'll open it for the video. I did try the solution just to see if it, some people said like, oh, it smells weird or hurts or something. And so I thought I'd try it, and it's fine. It's the same as the other one, essentially. And this is like a very rubbery little thing to squeeze, and you can use this for a couple of different ways. You can either use this for, squirting some warm water put warm water in a bowl, suck it up, squirt it in your ear, or some people say they actually use this and they can press it and then stick it in the ear, let go, and then pull out wax. So I don't know if it works quite like that or not. I'm going to try it real quick just to see. I'm not going to do it on camera. I'll do it off camera here. And let me see if I can get some wax. So we'll try this method that some people said works pretty darn good. So maybe it does. Here it goes. I'm going to push this in, okay? Let all the air out of the bulb. And I'm going to go ahead and stick this in my ear. Kind of sticking in my ear. And yeah, no wax. I can say that it does make an interesting noise. Like, it sounded like it was trying anyway. But I can see how even if this won't pull wax out of the average person's clean ear, because my ear is good right now, it would be great for actually sucking up some warm water and then kind of squirting it in your ear, so that's a good little tip. And the fact that it comes with a little tool is nice, actually, too. So if you're looking for another alternative, okay, something else to help with your, your waxy ears, and it's not necessarily a sign of anything bad or medically a problem, but this happens to people. It really does, and sometimes it's because of the type of hair products you use, like maybe some kind of like hairspray or hair gel or whatever, and a little bits of it get in your ear, and that mixes with the wax and creates like kind of a concrete plug, if you will. And that could be a problem, or it could be some other thing else more devious, like a little bug in your ear, or who knows, or in a lot of cases it's just people with waxy ears. You sweat, you get wax in the ears, and basically it builds up and either falls out on its own, or you have to do something about it. And again, you can go to the doctor, but that will cost you about like $100 or a copay of like $30 or whatever, for a visit. But it's kind of embarrassing, like having a doctor mess around with your ear, so this is like a low cost way of doing it at home, saving yourself some embarrassment, if you will, saving yourself some time and some money, by getting this inexpensive kit to go ahead and try this at home first. And then if you're still having a serious, hearing problem, or you have a wax buildup in your ear that you can't solve yourself, then go see a doctor. But whatever you do, don't stick like a Q-tip in there trying to jab it out, because you're just going to jab it in deeper. You're going to pack that wax in there, and it's going to make things worse, okay? So try this, guys. Use the solution, use a dropper, you know, and go ahead and try and get that wax out of your ears. And you'll thank me. You guys know I love music, and actually my enjoyment of high definition music is something where I like my hearing to be really darn good, you know, because I want to catch every little note of those wonderful songs I love in HD. And if your ears are all gummed up or whatever, you can't enjoy the music as much. No, you can't, you know. So anyway, just a little life tip, a life hack for you, if you will. Check this out, guys. A link for this right below. Try one time. Thank me later, okay? And if you have some other recommendation, I was surprised at the quantity of views on that video, and also the comments that were emailed in about, like, try this other kit or try this kit or whatever. And this one got several recommendations. That's why I'm showing it today. But this is another option for you if you have waxy ears, okay? All right. I hope that helps, guys. You guys have a good one. Click the link. Give this a try, all right? We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.